Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce Natasha's kitchen, full guide. Heat 4 tablespoons butter with 2 cloves minced garlic until fragrant, add 1 cup heavy cream, simmer gently, and whisk constantly. Stir in 1-to-1. 5 cups grated Parmesan until sauce is glossy, season with 1/4 teaspoon salt and fresh cracked pepper, and finish with chopped parsley. Serve immediately over hot pasta and enjoy. Gather your ingredients and set up a comfortable workstation before turning on the stove. Freshly grated Parmesan makes the biggest difference, so grate right before using for the best melt. Warm the cream gently and avoid boiling while combining with butter and cheese. A steady, medium-low heat and constant whisking will keep the sauce smooth. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then toss with hot pasta and serve warmly. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The book I have here, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, is a fun personal finance read and a quirky sidekick to learning kitchen confidence. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab the book if it speaks to you. Now let's get back to the video. Be patient and keep the heat moderate to protect the cream and cheese from separating. If the sauce becomes too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of reserved pasta water to loosen it and maintain creaminess. Whisk continuously while adding cheese so it melts evenly into a glossy sauce. Taste as you go and finish with parsley or a touch of lemon to brighten the flavors before serving over warm pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.